Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing very healthy and nutritious recipe that is guacamole. So let's see how to make it. For making guacamole, we need 2 avocados. First we need to cut our avocados. And then take out the seed. Oops, there the seed goes. And then another avocado. And then do the same thing. The seed is so tiny. Scoop out the inside part. Then mash it with the masher, or you can mash it with the fork. Then take 1 tomato and cut it, and take the seeds out of it. Then cut the tomato in small pieces. Then chop half onion into small pieces. Then take fresh coriander and chop it. Add all these ingredients with your avocado paste. Add black pepper powder in it. Then salt to taste. Squeeze half a lime juice on it. If you like limey, you can add some more. And mix all these ingredients well. And the perfect guacamole is ready here. Avocado is high in healthy fats, which helps to reduce cholesterol. You can eat it with breadsticks or nachos, or even with hard puris. If you want to eat it for later, cover it and keep it in the fridge. Just like this. Air should not remain in it, otherwise it will turn brown. Add this healthy and nutritious recipe in your diet, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.